1950 to 1960 is considered as golden age of Indian cinema. 1970 to 1980 completely changed the way of film city, especially the Hindi cinema industry. From 1990 till today, movies have been released which are based on action, comedy and thrill. In keeping with the spirits of continuous change and evolution, we would unveil a new phase of Kids Gurukul through this cultural program. So, get ready to delve deep into facets of music and dance.
तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमय means तुम सो जाओ माँ, मैं ज्योति के घर जा रही हूँ.
Hey, what are you saying?
Then what does it exactly mean?
It means let the enlightened lamp banish the darkness and spread the light in our lives.
So let's start today's event by lighting the lamp. I request our Honorable Director Adesh Lalwani Sir, Principal Meenal Ma'am and Vice Principal Kruti Ma'am, Mamta Ma'am and Shraddha Ma'am and Playschool Coordinator Kanak Ma'am for doing the honor of lighting